Good morning student. Today I am going to teach you lattice method. From this method we will solve multiply. In this method first of all we will draw a box and after that we will solve our sum. For example, here is a number 24 and multiply by 3. So first of all you know that this number is multiplicand and this is multiplier, and which answer will come, that will be product. Okay, this is multiplicand, this is multiplier, and which answer will come here, that will be product. So here we will make a box like this and after that we will solve the sum. Now we will arrange the numbers according their place value. So first of all one sentence and there is a single number 3, so we will write 3 4 ja 12 and 3 2 ja 6 like this. ये जो बॉक्सेस हैं ये बॉक्स बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी और सही बॉक्स बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आप अपने बॉक्स को सही तरीके से नहीं बनाएंगे तो आपका आंसर सही नहीं आएगा. ये क्वेश्चंस आई हैव सॉल्व दीज सम्स. ओके, नाउ in next page I am doing other sums, that's why you understand clearly. Okay, so first of all this is a lattice method, LATTICE, lattice method of multiplication. Okay, now for example I have a number 24 and I will multiply by it 3 and after that I will find its product by lattice method. So first of all this is multiplier and this is multiplicand. Now we will draw a box. सबसे पहले हम एक box बनाएंगे like this and after that we will divide the box according the numbers. So there are two numbers, so we will draw two box 1 and 2 like this, and there is a single number, so we will write a single line, we will draw a single line here, and after that we will arrange the numbers 2 and 4 and 3 here. Now inside the boxes again we will divide in two parts. अंदर के boxes को भी हम दो part में divide करेंगे. हर box को आपको दो part में divide करना है. Clear? Now we will start counting table. Now 3 4 ja 12, so 12 we will write here 1 and 2 like this. Now 3 2 ja 6, 6 as a single number, so we will write 0 here and 6 here. After that we will add these numbers. Okay, so there is nothing, so we will not write nothing. Now 2 and nothing is here, so only 2 plus 2 के साथ कुछ भी नहीं है, तो 2 का आपका सिंगल नंबर 2 आ जाएगा. and in next line there is 6 and there is 1, so 6 और 1 7 and again is 0 here. 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती, so we will not write here 0. It means our answer is 72, means our product is 72. Okay, now again one more example I am giving here. 64 multiply by 9. So again student, first of all we will draw a box. एक box बनाया हमने like this, and again we will divide it in two parts because there are two numbers and there is only one multiplier, so we will draw only one line in horizontal form, and here we will arrange the number. Okay, so first of all we will write here 6 4 and here we will write 9, and again inside of the boxes we will divide in two parts like this. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आपका बॉक्स सही तरीके से बनाओ. अगर आपका बॉक्स सही नहीं बनेगा तो आपका आंसर सही भी नहीं आएगा. ओके, सो 9 4 जा 36, so you will write 3 here 6 here. 9 6 जा 54, so you will write 5 or 4 like this. Okay, now after that, counting the table, we will add the numbers. Now there is nothing and there is 6, only 6, so we will write here 6. 4 और 3 इस कॉलम में आपका 4 और 3 है, तो हम इन दोनों को प्लस करेंगे. 4 और 3 7 एंड देयर इज अ सिंगल 5, सो वी विल राइट 5. ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, 5 के साथ तो कोई नंबर है नहीं तो हम सिंगल 5 लिखेंगे. नाउ आवर आंसर इज 576. क्लियर? नाउ स्टूडेंट, here one more sum I am doing. Watch it clearly and try to understand. Okay, 24 multiply by 15. Here first of all we will make a box like this, then we will divide it two parts. Here we will write 2, here we will write 4, here we will write 1 and here we will write 5. And again inside boxes को भी आपको divide करना है like this. Now 1 4 जा 4, it means कि 4 में single digit होता है तो 0 और 4, and 1 2 जा 2, 0 और 2. Okay, now 5 4 जा 20, 2 और 0, and 5 2 जा 10, 1 और 0. Now we will add the numbers. So 0 के साथ कोई नंबर नहीं, so we will write 0 here. In this line we have 3 numbers 0, 2 and 4, so we will add in these numbers 4 or 2 6. And in this line again we have 3 numbers 1 2 and 0, so 2 and 1 equal to 3, 2 और 1 3, and 0 means nothing, so no need to write here 0. It means our product is 360, so we will write our product here. Clear? One more example I am showing here. 372 multiply by 2. Now here is 3 numbers. Okay, so first of all we will draw box, one box, one digit, second box, next digit, and last box, next digit, and only one single line in horizontal form. Okay, so 3 here, 7 here, 2 here, and multiply by 2. Again divide the box in two parts. Now read the table. 2 2 ja 4, so 0 and 4, 2 7 ja 14, 1 or 4, and 2 3 ja 6, 0 or 6. Now we will add the numbers. Here is nothing, here is 4, so we will write 4. In this line 4 and 0 means 4 में 0 जोड़ा तो 4 ही आया आपका. In this line 6 और 1 7, so our answer will be 7, and there is a 0, it means 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं, it means हमारा जो आंसर है वो है आपका 744. ओके, होप स्टूडेंट आपको ये सम्स समझ में आए होंगे. ठीक है, आप इनको कोशिश करिएगा. मैंने आपकी लाइव क्लास में भी यही सम आपको समझाए हैं. आप इन्हें सीखिए, ट्राई करिए, प्रैक्टिस करिए, और अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आता तो आप मुझसे कंसल्ट कर सकते हैं, मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं कि मैम इसको कैसे करना है, मैं आपको फिर से समझाऊंगी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल डू दिस work in your notebook, and after that I am giving some more sums which you will solve in your notebook. So student, first of all you will do this work, and after that you will do these sums. Okay, topic lattice multiplication method which I have written here, and there is a question, find the product by lattice method. lattice method से आपने प्रोडक्ट निकालना है. There are 6 sums which you will do in your notebook. होप स्टूडेंट आपको समझ में आया होगा. आप इसे करिए और करेक्शन के लिए फिर मेरे पास भेजिए. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे, टेक केयर योरसेल्फ.